Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Suzuki Alto has long been a popular choice for many car buyers, especially in India, known for its affordability, reliability, and practicality. One of the most successful and widely sold cars in the country, the Alto has evolved over time to meet changing consumer preferences and technology advancements while retaining its core values of efficiency and value for money. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. The Alto's compact design makes it ideal for urban driving, where narrow lanes and heavy traffic are common. Despite its small footprint, the Alto offers decent interior space, providing comfort for both the driver and passengers. The cabin is straightforward, with easy-to-use controls and good visibility, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced drivers. The materials used in the interior are durable, designed to withstand everyday wear and tear, adding to the car's practicality. Under the hood, the Maruti Suzuki Alto typically comes with a small, efficient engine, offering an excellent balance between power and fuel efficiency. The 0.8-liter engine has become synonymous with the model, providing sufficient performance for city commutes while ensuring excellent fuel economy, which is a key selling point for many buyers in India. The fuel efficiency of the Alto makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious customers, as the car can cover long distances without needing frequent visits to the petrol station. Maruti Suzuki has also made sure that the Alto remains an affordable choice by offering it at a price point that suits a wide range of buyers, from first-time car owners to families looking for an economical second vehicle. The Alto's competitive pricing, combined with Maruti's extensive service network, makes it easy for owners to maintain their cars with minimal hassle. Additionally, the availability of spare parts is widespread and affordable, further enhancing the Alto's appeal in the value-for-money segment. In terms of safety, the Alto has been equipped with essential features such as airbags and ABS in its higher variants, ensuring that basic safety standards are met. Though it may not have all the high-tech safety features seen in premium models, the Alto offers a solid base of safety features at an affordable price. Maruti Suzuki's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction ensures that the Alto continues to be a reliable and long-lasting choice for many. Overall, the Maruti Suzuki Alto continues to be a great entry-level car, ideal for those looking for an affordable, reliable, and practical vehicle. It's a great fit for the modern Indian urban lifestyle, where space, efficiency, and cost are key considerations.